Generating a DC solver for linear resistive circuits with AI. In this video, we will generate a Python program using ChatGPT that includes a voltage divider. Copy the code into Tina's built-in Python compiler. Compile and run the program. Compare the results with those obtained by solving the same circuit in Tina. Start ChatGPT.com. Enter the following request. Generate a DC solver from netlist using Python. Include one test example with a voltage source of Vs equals 100 volts, R1 equals 20 ohms, and R2 equals 30 ohms. The AI's response is as follows. Here's a complete and structured explanation and setup before the Python implementation of a DC circuit solver from a netlist. Next, the AI displays the generated Python code. Note that the code is quite general, you can enter any circuit using the above syntax. Copy the code to the clipboard using the copy code icon. Start Tina, then open the Python compiler using the Tools menu and select Python Shell. Next, paste the Python code into the compiler's editing area. Press the Run icon. The Python program displays the nodal voltages including the source current. Now, press the Place to Schematic button and drop the code into Tina's editing area. Note that ChatGPT and most other AI systems may generate slightly different Python code or result formats each time they are used. Enter the schematic equivalent of the example circuit. Press the DC button. The calculated values from Tina, V2 equals 60 volts, and I equals -2 amperes, match the result obtained from our Python program. This concludes our presentation. By studying the Python code, you can learn about the principles behind how Tina works for linear DC circuits.
For more information, visit our website at tina.com. Visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/Tina Design Suite.